In Region 12, the local government unit of Tacurong City is the first implementer of the community-based monitoring system Accelerated Poverty Profiling or CBMS app. Tacurong City earmarked 1 million pesos or estimated 52 pesos per household for the project. This amount was taken from its Disaster Risk Reduction and Management or DRRM fund. Data gathering in the 20 barangays started in December 2014 and lasted for 5 months. Enumerators and supervisors coordinated with barangay leaders and health workers to reach even the farthest households. With Android tablets, data were collected and stored to an online database that can be easily accessed. After data gathering, results were validated by community leaders and residents during each barangay's General Assembly. CBMS results revealed that Tacurong has 19,541 households. Each household answered more than 150 questions that provided the LGU with a comprehensive viewpoint of its population's status and needs. Comprehensive data must be put to good use. CBMS results were used in the Local Poverty Situational Analysis Workshop during the General Assembly of Civil Society Organizations or CSOs in October 2015. By using CBMS results as reference, CSO representatives identified relevant anti-poverty projects. Consequently, CBMS results were used during the Local Poverty Reduction Action Planning Workshop in November 2015. The workshop allowed the Local Poverty Reduction Action Team to choose significant projects for bottom-up budgeting for 2017. Representatives of CSOs make up 50% of the LPRAT membership. Hence, their outputs during the CSO Assembly were also presented and proposed priority projects were considered. Specific data from CBMS results that were used during LPRAP are magnitude of households below poverty threshold and food threshold, magnitude of households without access to safe water, magnitude of households without access to sanitary toilet, and magnitude of unemployed members of the labor force. Poverty incidence data were used to identify households and barangays that will benefit livelihood programs. Unemployment data were then used to target specific groups in barangays that could undergo skills trainings. Households without sanitary toilet facilities were also identified as beneficiaries of water-sealed toilet bowls. Households that do not have access to safe drinking water were identified as beneficiaries of the potable water supply project. In fact, based on the results of the CBMS survey, 2 barangays in the city, Calandagan and New Pasay, were identified as barangays that lack potable water system. This is the reason why the LPRAT has allocated for its 2017 BUB-funded projects 2 million pesos for each of the 2 barangays for the installation of new water system. CBMS results are also used in the design, targeting, and delivery of other basic services. Data are used as reference in issuing permits of tricycle operators and occupational ID of tricycle drivers, in issuing sponsored PhilHealth membership, in creating barangay health profiles of community health teams, in giving medical and financial assistance, in resolving barangay boundary conflicts, in identifying exact household locations, in certification of actual residency of residents, in validation of registered voters per barangay, in creating gender and development database and programs, and in sharing experiences and best practices to other LGUs. School administrators also obtain school attendance and participation data for the formulation of their school improvement plans. CBMS results will soon be used by barangays in the formulation of their respective barangay development plans. In mediating conflicts under Katarungang Pambarangay, CBMS data is useful in identifying actual residency of an involved party. CBMS data will also be useful in the formulation of the proposed database for the City Hall sa Barangay project of the city government. Generated data is also useful in identifying vulnerable groups, setting the direction of initiatives in disaster risk reduction and management, and climate change adaptation. Today, Tacurong City had already shared its CBMS experience and innovations to 9 LGUs from different parts of Region 12. Tacurong continues to find ways to maximize generated data for effective public service delivery and policymaking in the hope of contributing to the nation's pursuit of attaining sustainable development goals.